A shiny sports car named Blaze set out on its winter expedition, navigating through snowy landscapes and steep hills. During its journey, it encountered a pack of wolves, gracefully moving through the snow, showcasing the elder wolf, teaching the young ones adaptability and teamwork. Intrigued by this, Blaze continued its journey and met a daring mountaineer named Lily, who shared tales of her climbs, embodying tenacity to follow one's passion. Inspired by the resilience of both the wolves and Lily, Blaze later delivered a motivational talk at a snowy peak gathering, emphasizing the power of adaptability in the face of challenges and pursuing dreams. Blaze's story highlighted the profound lessons in persistence and the beauty of aligning oneself with the harmony of nature.